Welcome to Languages on a Plate Spanish Step 1 Full Course for Beginners. This course includes 30 lessons, each with interactive activities and clear video explanations to teach you the core fundamentals of the Spanish language and build up your knowledge with strong foundations. I've split this course into 4 key modules. Module 1, all about me. You'll learn how to describe yourself, so you'll learn how to say what you look like, what your personality's like, how old you are, who's in your family, etc. Module 2, passions and pastimes. In this module, you will learn how to say what you do in your free time and give your opinion on topics such as sport and music. Module 3, 9 to 5, school and work. In this module, you will learn how to say what you do during the day, whether that's studying or working. And finally, Module 4, my corner of the world. In this module, you will learn how to describe where you live. So for example, you'll be able to describe your house, your town, what there is to do, and you'll be able to understand and follow directions. By the end of this course, you'll have a bank of around 2,000 useful Spanish words. You will have a solid foundation in grammar, meaning that you'll have a great grasp on the core fundamentals of verb conjugation in the present tense, how to do the near future tense. You will also learn how to give your opinion and how to agree adjectives. All of this knowledge will set you up really well for future Spanish learning or to apply it straight away if you're lucky enough to visit Spain or Latin America. Each lesson in this course is designed to build up your knowledge step by step in a logical and clear way. I do recommend spending about an hour per lesson to give yourself the time to properly consolidate the vocabulary and grammar that pops up, although naturally some lessons might take a little less time, especially if you've got a bit of prior knowledge. So now that you know what the course covers, you might be wondering, why study with me? Well, first of all, I'm a qualified teacher with many years' experience of teaching Spanish to English speakers in a way that is structured, efficient, and engaging for long-term learning. In this experience, I've led departments and developed language learning courses in some of the UK's top independent schools. Many of my former students have gone on to study Spanish at university, including Oxford and Cambridge. Others have learned for either travel or curiosity purposes, and I've even helped some learn to pass tests to emigrate to Spain. Whatever your reason for learning Spanish, I've designed this course to support your journey to help build up your foundations. One big differentiation between this course and many others is I built this course based on good teaching and learning practices, based on what gives students success in learning Spanish for their long-term goals, with the idea of building the foundations up strongly to help them progress. But perhaps another area that sets my course apart is my motivation behind creating it. You see, my own journey with learning Spanish began from a desire to connect, as unfortunately my grandmother, who was born in Colombia, never passed Spanish down to my dad. So when I began learning Spanish at school, it felt like an opportunity to reconnect with something that had been lost. This early spark turned into a lifelong commitment, and I made it my mission to explore the language and everything that came with it, not just the grammar and vocabulary, but also the cultures and the people across the Spanish-speaking world. This all led me to studying Spanish at university, and then later working and living in South America. All of this experience not only built up my fluency, but also my love for the language and its connected cultures. And that's what I've endeavoured to channel into everything in my website and everything in my teaching. I want you to be inspired and connected to the Spanish-speaking world. So, if you want short and clear video explanations, interactive activities with instant feedback, and structured progression for your Spanish learning, I've built this course for you in mind. Good luck and enjoy starting your Spanish journey.